Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Yo, dog.
What's up, now?
Man,
What's up, bro?
like, long
How you
time no
doing?
see.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
Oh my
it's
goodness.
been like almost a year, hasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Since the Eagles won the Super Bowl.
Yeah, I can't believe I'm
What up?
dang, I thought I wasn't even gonna see you for a long
Oh, no.
time.
We're here.
Oh yeah.
We'll take a
Man, I forgot how humid it was out here.
I know, dude. It's so bad.
So glad to be back.
Oh yeah. Tampa.
Yeah. It's been too long. I've been gone for too long. I would have came for the summer and stuff like that, but I had so much stuff to do. I didn't even have time to breathe.
School.
Oh yeah.
School. Summer classes too.
Yeah, summer classes are crazy.
Swimming stuff too.
Oh yeah, I had swimming
the
too.
summer?
Yeah, during the
So you
summer.
do like summer because I know you'd wake up early,
Oh yeah.
so you'd have to swim then do school.
Yep.
Well, you know what? It's what's in 6 days, right?
Cowboys.
Eagles,
Yeah, that's true.
and the Eagles get to raise their banner
Well, yeah,
in front of the Cowboys.
that's true.
And Parsons is gone. Did you see that?
Yeah.
He got traded. I bet your grandpa was going crazy. You texted him.
Yeah. I mean, he knew. He already knew.
Oh, he knew? Oh.
Yeah, he knew like before I was leaving
What was
today.
his reaction? He was just like, bro.
He was surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I'm gonna tell you though, the one thing I wish my grandpa was here so he can see you.
Oh, yeah. No, he'd be going
Yeah,
crazy.
my grandpa is probably at home sleeping.
Sleeping. Well, in 6 days, he might be sleeping.
Yeah, who
After
knows?
that
Like,
game.
I might be back in like November, December, and my
Yeah.
grandpa, he might come with me then.
Yeah.
Well, who
I
knows?
gotta make it up to Pensacola, bro. I have to.
Yo, we back in West Chase. Got some pizza right here. Yeah, it's pizza time now.
Pizza time.
Wings here too. Yeah, back with an OG friend.
Yo,
Eating
we in
that
Tampa.
pizza and wings.
We in Tampa.
Oh, yeah.
Pepperoni
Pepperoni
and bacon.
and bacon. Sounds good.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's good.
Pepperoni going down. We're gonna dink it,
Think it.
sink
And
it.
sink it. Yeah, yeah. All right. Gonna enjoy pizza and we'll see you later.
Oh yeah. Pizza time.
Cruisin'! We're heading into the neighborhood. Yo, look at this. We got the OG house right here. Man, it's been way too long. I'm just glad to be back.
Yeah.
All right, Dom, I got you surprised. So
All right,
feast your eyes on this. Look what I got.
Thank you so much.
You know what those are?
Butter cookies?
Yeah, brown butter.
Burger, yep.
Brown butter chocolate chip cookies.
Thank you now. You want me to try one?
Hey,
For your
sure.
birthday?
All right. Yeah, you gotta try.
See what we're working with. Go with this one.
Okay. Hey, you know what they say? That's how the cookie crumbles.
Oh, that's perfect. The inside is very like buttery. It's got that like nice taste that you want, and then the top is like fully crust. That's amazing.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a perfect cookie, dude.
For sure.
Thank you now.
Oh yeah.
That's a perfect cookie.
Hey, I really appreciate it.
Happy birthday to the goat.
Oh yeah. Real one.
Howdy.
Hey, how's it going?
You didn't look over into the car to your right and be like,
Hey.
The whole time. No, I didn't see you.
Hey, I'm Nell.
I'm Evan.
Oh, hey.
Hi,
Hey.
you're vlogging?
Oh yeah.
All right. For the
Hey,
meeting in person.
Duncan.
Holy shit.
Hey, how's it going, man?
First time meeting you in person.
I can't believe it. Yeah.
know.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going, bro? It's
Oh yeah. I'm so glad to finally meet you.
I know.
Hey, I got some. Pink chaser. Yeah.
Guys,
huh?
How you hit a strike?
that's how you get a strike. Nice strike, Sierra. Yeah, that's a strike. Yeah, that's it.
That's how you get a strike, all right? That's a woman.
That's how you get a strike in bowling.
I mean, you try. This is how you hit a strike. Yo, only one? Yep, got them trying my cookies. Oh yeah.
Delicious.
I don't know if it's gonna be possible, but I'm gonna try. Okay.
That's good. 2 pins left.
Okay. I don't think I should try it like this again. I don't know.
All right.
We have bumpers, so it's not gonna matter. Let's see. Let's see how I do like this.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yo.
Go. This might be impossible, but who knows? Ready?
No way.
Not bad.
Alright, so you're gonna do your left hand, right?
Lefty.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be so bad.
Oh. I mean, that was decent.
Yeah,
See how I can do this.
No way. No!
No! Yo, I only missed one.
Alright, we're gonna try to get a strike today. You ready?
Always,
One away.
it's always that one pin.
Always that one.
See how I can do.
Unfortunately not.
Oh. Dang, fair.
Close.
Let's see if I can get it.
Oh, man.
Only one. To get a spare, it's time to use my left hand. Oh man, do this thing. Go. Again? Time to do a spare.
Oh.
Only one. All right, guys. Well, I guess this is it. Signing off. All right, going back to Pete Cola. So, peace out.
Yo, we're cruising for
Cruisin.